Input. Don't really know what I'm doing here, people. Let's go on now. Not sure I got power. Let's see if that did it. There we go. On maybe. There we go. I don't know what I'm doing here, but looks like that's working. Mark, do you know how to use this equipment? Good. Okay. Okay. Well, everything powers up. I'm not sure how to use this equipment, fellas. You're just gonna have to bear with me on that. This thing is smashed in the front, you guys. Oh, look at there. I think that's the equipment running. I'm not 100% positive. Okay, she will spin. That's the best I can get. Oh, that's the blower motor. Got you.
Operator Tyler sitting by to take your phone calls. Good morning if you're watching on Peacock. That's our streaming partner. And Stat of the Day is always brought to you by Panini America, the official trading cards of the program. If you want your lawn to look like maybe a fairway on the PGA Tour, you can. True Green. They are the official lawn care provider for the PGA Tour. They can come to your house. You can reach them at truegreen.com.
Alright, so we've got hose reel, tank, chemicals.
For details. You got the king of comedy.
I'm assuming this is a steamer. I'm not 100% positive.
For the final hour of Friday's show. Todd Fritz is here. Seton, Mar, Paulie, yours truly in the back room, guys. The BRG.
Gardner Denver. This is a serial number S6437668. Serial number is HYCLJCA.
Watching basketball yesterday over the weekend. The Thunder are going to have a lot of time to rest.
Right, you guys.
As a young team, you probably don't want to rest too much. They got that trio in the Heat. Nuggets and Clippers series has been wonderful.